In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add curved edges on images in Canva. And apart from images, I'll also show you how you can also add curves on elements in Canva. Now I have here an image, and as you can see, it has right angle edges, but I'll wish to change these angles into curves. Now to do so, go ahead and select your image, and it is selected. Now from here, head over to this option called corner rounding. Now go ahead and tap on it. As you can see, our corners are sharp and the rounding is 0. So to have corners on your edges or to make curves on your edges, go ahead and slide this bar. And the moment you slide, you can see the edges or the corners are being rounded. Now go ahead and do so to a level you feel you are comfortable. And once you are done, you can just leave it and click outside. Now our image now has gotten curved or rounded edges. Now in some cases, you may have an element. For instance, if I go to elements and then select an element such as this, and for instance, we want to add a text on this, but you don't want the edges to be sharp as they are, but you want them to be rounded, and maybe we want to use this for text. For instance, let me go ahead and write a text here. So this is our text. I'll go ahead and increase the size, and now we want to fit in to use this with our text. So the first thing we need to do is to make sure that our element fits the size of our text, and I think that one fits so well. Great. So before I add or I merge the two, I need to go ahead and first curve these edges of this element, and to do so, I'll repeat the same process. Now our edit function for the curve is still on, and if we go ahead and tap on the element, you can see we have the curved shape here for rounding corners. So go ahead and tap on it. If we go ahead and now increase it, you can see the edges in our element have been curved. So slide it until you are comfortable with the curves. And once you are done, now you can go ahead and match now your text with your element. If you wish to change the color of the text, you can still go ahead and do so. And here we go. And you can go ahead and position this text the way you wish. So that's how you can change or how you can obtain curves on any type of an image or on elements in Canva. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.